Hello everyone, welcome back to Niecy's Custom. Today we're going to continue on learning how to use Silhouette Studios for sublimation. But before we begin, go ahead and hit that notification bell and that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, once you have done that, today I'm going to show you how to, when you go to Etsy and you purchase a file from Etsy, I'm going to show you how to download that file and move that file to Silhouette Studios. Okay, we're going to go to the internet and we're going to use these files right here that I purchased at the beginning of the year. We're just going to hit download. We are going to get the pink fashion SVG and we're going to download that one. Okay, as you see down to the bottom left hand corner is going to download to a zip file. And usually when I download, another screen usually pop up. Okay, here it goes. It usually pop up and I'll just hit File Explorer and I hit OK. Okay, when it comes up, you're going to hit Extract All. You're going to hit Extract. And it's going to, change the files over. Okay, and this what I do. I just close both of my windows and I go to Silhouette Studios. Then I go to File, Merge, then I click Download, and here go the files right here, already extracted. I hit OK. Then I hit the pink fashion bundle, hit OK, and I'm going to pull the ping file, not the SVG. The SVG file is where you can change colors, just change a lot of things. And I'm going to show that in the next episode. But right now, I'm going to show you, you can just get the ping file. And these are the images. Okay, I'm going to get the lips. Okay, and remember the ping file don't have that white background on it, so you don't have to do anything with that. And I'm going to go back to File, Merge, and I'm going to get the heels. Okay. Once we have that, you can design however you want it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete the lips. Remember, you can use the click the image, right click, and hit delete. Okay, we're going to go back to File, Merge, and I think I'm going to get the purse. Okay, now you notice that the purse is covering the shoes. So what you want to do with this right here If you want the purse behind the shoes, you right click it, hit send to back. And you're going to resize that. Move that purse right there. And the heels. And you can just rearrange it how you want it. But I'm just showing you how to get a file from Etsy, download it, and bring it over to Silhouette Studios. And you know how you can resize it. Anytime you want to resize the image, you just click on the image, go from the side right here, and just make it larger and smaller, larger and smaller. That's how you resize it. And if you want to look at the whole screen a little, if you want it a little smaller, you can just hit zoom out, and you can do it like that. Zoom in. If you someone like me who really got to see something, you can zoom in. But basically, that's how you do that. Okay, so that concludes the tutorial on how to move a file from Etsy over to Silhouette Studios. Tomorrow, I'm going to show you how to get the different fonts and put with the image that you're going to sub. I think I said it right. Yeah. Okay. If you have any questions that you want to ask me, go ahead and drop it in the comment section. And if anything particular that you want me to do or show you how to do, go ahead and drop that in the comment section as well. Okay? Remember, God loves you and I love you too. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you.